Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to RapidAPI for third-party data in no-code apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the RapidAPI website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your email or one of the available social media accounts. Once registered, log in to your new account. Navigate to the Marketplace section found in the top menu. In the search bar, enter keywords related to the data you need. Review the list of APIs that appear in the search results. Click on the API that interests you for more detailed information. Take note of the pricing details listed on the API page. Choose the desired pricing plan based on your needs. Confirm your subscription by reviewing the API documentation for usage limits. Once satisfied, click the Confirm Subscription button. You will now have access to the API endpoint and key. Follow the provided documentation for how to use the API in your no-code application. Depending on your no-code platform, configure the API settings accordingly. Enter the API key where required to authenticate your requests. Test the API connection to ensure everything is working correctly. Start integrating the API data into your no-code app features as planned. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.